Hey y'all, this is Cullen at FlashPointSTEM. What I'm showing you is a video of our boys doing some troubleshooting.
Not getting in
I had a problem with the FPV goggles that I was using the other day, where they stopped. It stopped showing the FPV screen, and so I thought, well, as a quick project, what we could do with the boys is they could go ahead and troubleshoot it and find out what happened. I initially figured out what happened is basically one of the positive power wires had broken and was giving me an intermittent power to the goggles, but I left it alone, and I thought it'd be fun for the boys to figure out how to do it. So what you're watching is them actually go through that, and they figure it out pretty quickly. You know, solving the problem together, and just one by one eliminating things that don't cause the problem, and eventually they find out that that it is the red wire.
Is it because I
was that you or?
That's causing them the problem.
Is it because I touched my finger to it?
What they ended up doing was just replacing that, and it works now. So
what was that?
Have a look.
Was that green?
Yeah.
So that's number one. Number one is green.
Hopefully.
Okay. Let's try number two.
I'll try green again to make sure.
What's that? White?
Two is white.
Two is white, okay.
Hold on. Try red again. I'm gonna try this anyway. Okay, so two is white. I hope you're right.
What they're doing right now is called the continuity test, and they're using a digital multimeter, and what they're doing is passing electricity, just a very small amount, from one end of the wire to the other, and they're trying to determine which pin on the connector belongs to which wire, and then two,
battery
if there's a crack in that wire. So every time you hear the beep sound, that means that there's continuity, or electricity is passing from one end of the wire to the other. If they find that they can't find a connection between a wire and the pin, then they've found that there's a crack in that wire. So that's what they're trying to do right now.
Pause.
No,
Alright. Should we try the others?
Let's just try the others.
Oh, okay.
How many are there?
Which number are we on?
We're on one now.
Okay, one.
Hi
guys. Alright, so, today we had a problem with our virtual goggles, and this little device, which we do not know why this virtual goggle relies upon this so much, even though it's a recording device. So, anyways, it did not get a signal because our red wire, which we had soldered right now, was broken, and that's it.
So let's see if it works.
Okay, so
oh no, the people are cooking food again.
it was not working like
It should.
Right, you weren't getting power to that little VCR or digital video recorder, right? And you determined that was why weren't you getting any power?
Because the red one, the red wire was broken and it wasn't connecting.
And then where was it broken?
It was right at the
right at the tip.
At the connector?
Yes.
Yeah. And why did it break there?
Because we
twisted it too much. I went like this.
How did it go?
It twisted like this.
Yeah, so we kind of learned about strain relief.
Yeah, I was.
It was like dangling all over the place, and we broke the wire.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth, guys.
So here's the moment of truth.
Oh no, it doesn't work because
we're plugging it in.
The battery's in. Moment of truth. And no. No.
Stop videoing.
Stop videoing. What happened?
All right, now.
Wait.
So they actually did did
hold
fix
on,
it.
we should have a-
But what had
Maybe
happened
'cause
is
there's no
the new wire
power
that they
going
soldered
from this.
just popped out of the connector. So it worked. It just didn't work right then. So anyway, this just gives you an idea of what we do in our class and some of the problems that they get to solve. And it's really neat being able to see them, you know, take a problem and try and troubleshoot it, and having a lot of success with it and fun. Okay, see you guys.